Hi friends, this is Muhammad Imran and you are watching Alpha Tech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to read post commits and delete, approve or disapprove. Let's start. First of all, you are watching domain name slash wp dash admin and press enter. Give your user password. After giving your password, this page will show. After that, on the left side of the page you can see the that menus. Here you are showing comments. Press on this comment section. By default this comment is already public. Here you can, if you learn that this is best for your post, then you can approve that. Here this comment is already approved. If you want to unapproved, you can press there, and this is unapproved, mean this is not showing into public page. Here if you want to delete this, then press on check button and bulk action. Go to bulk action, move to trash and apply. This is the way your comment is deleted permanently. Here some menus are showing. First menu is main menu, second is pending, mean anyone if anyone comment on your post and not public, you can press that and press on public if your desired comment. Here this is the category or button or tab for approved comments. This is the spam folders. Here you can show, if you here press, you can show the all spam comments, and this is the tab for trash. If you know that, first of all we delete a comment on pressing on bulk action and delete permanently. Here if click empty, this is delete will permanently. First of all you delete this comment. This is not permanently deleted, this is going to trash folder. After going to trash folder, when you delete, this will be deleted permanently. I hope you will enjoy this video.